Hi, in this video I'm going to review these command picture hanging strips and I'm going to explain to you how to attach them to the wall. First of all, we use these command picture hanging strips in a variety of ways in our house and they work really well. For instance, one of my artworks, it's quite big, it's still hanging there after a year, so they really work. What is important to know about them when you use them is, first of all, make sure the wall is nice and clean. You haven't painted it for at least a week, and then you could also clean it with some alcohol before you attach these picture hanging strips onto it. Then, before you even do anything, putting on anything on the wall, is you mark out with a leveler where you want your frame to go on the wall. Then you take these picture hanging strips. You see they have some Velcro in them and it's really strong. You put these together like so. Click. Then you take a strip off, the glue strip, and put that onto the back of the frame here and wherever you need it. And then you pull the other strip off on the other side, and then you place the frame onto the wall. You really push it on there, wait a little while, and then you pull it off. But what happened to us when we did this with my large artwork is it came loose. Both of the strips came off. They stuck to the artwork but not on the wall. So what you can do is you take a ruler, best, or a stump knife, and you push this in between apart. Then obviously these will be apart, one will stay to the wall. Keep it on the wall nice and fixed, and you're supposed to wait for 60 minutes before you put the frame back onto these strips. But I actually waited for a day and then I put them onto the frame back onto the wall, and I have to say it works really well. I like the fact that they're so easy to use. Make sure this is also visible, so when you ever want to take it off, so you can just pull, or you know where it is, you know where these are located. But they work really well. Also make sure if you have a really big artwork or a photo frame that you check the weight. For instance, these are the medium strips here. You can see they are valid for up to, they're good for 5 kilos. And then I have here extra large strips. I've used them all. They are up to 9 kilogram. My really big large artwork, I had to put several strips on there, and also behind the wood frame I put several strips to make sure it really stuck to the wall. With a normal photo frame that is not too heavy, I had it just on the corners, and I have to say it works really well. So make sure you check the weight of your item before you attach them to the wall. And yeah, these command picture hanging strips works really well. I also put you a link underneath this video if you're interested in them. It's really good that you don't have to drill holes into your walls, and they work really well.